Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the SEO features that are available on the platform. SEO is probably the most important part of having a website. So beyond all the other stuff that any platform or website builder will do for you, SEO is very important because you have a website to get traffic, to make sales, to get clients, leads, whatever you're trying to monetize it. So the only way without spending a fortune on pay-per-click marketing and branding and everything else is to build a quality website that Google likes, Yahoo likes, and Bing likes. And what I've done with this platform is build it from an SEO standpoint. So your site will get ranked. It will be in the mobile search engines, and you're going to get traffic. So I'm going to show you what you can do. So we're going to go to page SEO, and what this allows you to do is we're going to click on content, pages, and then we're going to go to edit a page. And from here, you can see that we have the page layout and everything like that. Then we're going to have an SEO tag. So you can put your title tag in there, and we'd call this home, or we'd put a pipe in there, and you could put in the name of your website or some other main title tags or keywords. Down into here, you can put your keywords in here. And you're going to type in, mobile website, or actually we're going to type in mobile website, mobile site builder, mobile platform, and your types of keywords. And then here's your description tag. And this is very important because this is what gets the person to click once they see your ad in the search engines. So you're going to want to write something that's very, very compelling. What we offer is that we offer free report. So building a mobile website, download our free report, 21 things you should know before you build a mobile website. And when somebody sees that in the search engines, they're more likely to click on that because it's actually speaking to them. It's offering some information. It's not saying buy ours, we have the lowest prices, or anything like that. If you've been in business since 1912, I would put that. Been in business since 1912. Over 10,000 customers. Whatever your unique selling proposition is, put that in your description. Now, everybody tries to load the description up with keywords and things of that nature. If you can just get your main keyword in there, that's going to be good enough because, again, you want to sell the click. You're not trying to sell Google. You're trying to sell the visitor because Google's already shown them your site, and that's what you do with the title tag and the keywords. You're selling Google with the title and keywords, and you're selling the customer with the description tag. So always keep that in mind. And this just allows you to, do on-page SEO for each individual page. So all your pages will have these boxes, and there's very few platforms out there, especially on the mobile side of it, that have this type of stuff. Most of the time you have to call up a SEO company and pay them thousands of dollars to do this same stuff for you because it requires coding. We've built it directly into the platform, so you can just go in here and change them and update them, however you want. Another thing that we have too is we have something called schema.org tags, and this is brand new. This just came out a couple weeks ago, and I'm not going to get into a whole lot of detail about this, but Google is now, actually in Yahoo and Bing, I always refer back to Google, but the search engines are now offering micro tags in addition, so you can display some of your content with tags, and it's a little hard to describe in this setting, but we do have this already built in the platform. So again, like I've said before, I've built this platform so your website gets traffic and leads and clients. Everything else is trivial at this point. So SEO is my focus, and it should be yours too. The other thing you can do with your images is you can have image alt tags in there. So when you are adding images and things of that nature, you can type in tags, and I'll show you here. You can type in a title here, and you can also put keywords and descriptions for your images as well. We also have, which is kind of cool, is your sitemaps. And if you've never heard of a sitemap, again, this is something that these companies charge you thousands of dollars to do. And what our platform allows you to do is generate 4 sitemaps. There's a sitemap for content, mobile, images, and video. So what you do is you take this little snippet of code and you submit it to Google Webmaster. And again, we'll show you how to do that once you're a client. It takes 5 seconds. And then this is kind of a blueprint. You're saying Google and Bing and Yahoo, come check out my site. Here's where all my pages are at. And you give them a roadmap and a blueprint. And again, this will get your site indexed very, very quickly. Again, a lot of these companies charge you thousands of dollars to do it, or they don't even know how to do it. If you go back and call up your current webmaster and say, do I have sitemaps on my website? He's going to probably say no, or what are those? So this is all included with any level that you know decide to sign up for, and it's just one of those extra things that we do, you know, that nobody else will do. SEO settings. If you want to just take your site keywords and site description and just put that on all pages, you can go in here, and this is a global setting. So if you want to type in your, you know, 5 or 10 keywords and then a main description that goes on all the pages, so you don't have to edit each individual page, you can do that. If you do have a database driven site, we can put in tags there for you, so page title will show up for, you know, a certain product and things of that nature. We can, you know, do a lot of things with that. Also, we have clean SEO URL. So what you can do, instead of saying you know, your domain dot page category slash page name dot html, we shorten that up so it would say mobilewebsites.com/tour, and that's what would show up in the search engines. So it doesn't have all the question marks and equal signs and all the different characters that some of these platforms do, which helps you not only get indexed a little quicker because it's shorter, but also it's cleaner for the visitor, so they can see a link, whether it's in the search engines or through an email or whatever, and it makes sense to them. You're not copy and paste in these super long URLs. We also have our own internal link shortener on here. It's called chk.mobi, which is kind of like check.mobi or checkitout.mobi. So anytime that you're sending an email or you want to send a site-specific page through an email or a link or whatever, you can use our own internal link shortener on there, and it just shortens everything. It makes sense. It's .mobi domain. It's CHK. It's just easy to remember. So we have a lot of SEO features on here. There's a few more things that you're going to see after you become a client that you can do with this, with your mobile site. And hopefully this is a good video and you liked it. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.